This is Frey's Refresh Me. It's a hydrating glow mist that is made from argan and watermelon extract. I like to use it during and after my workouts. Whenever I feel hot and sweaty, what I do is I mix the bottle to mix the 2-layer formula, and then I spray it on my face. It's really easy. All you have to do is shake and spray. Don't need to rub it in, just let it set. It smells really good. You don't have to use it just with workouts. Like, you can use it during the day, before you apply your makeup, or after you apply your makeup with your other skincare products. Helps boost the glow in your skin. The first layer of Refresh Me contains argan and grapeseed oil to create that deep hydration in your skin. The second layer contains watermelon, radish, and pea extract, and rose and ylang essential oils to soothe and refresh your skin. So in addition, do you notice how this product is blue? Well, that comes from this German chamomile extract, which is called azulene, and azulene has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. So that's a little bonus. So whatever your skin type, Refresh Me is a perfect little pick-me-up.